So field sport athletes will require lots of carbs to provide energy for them to compete in their events, as well as lots of protein to help with recovery and also like building muscle. And also it's really important they get a lot of colour on their plate, so different sources of fruit and veg. And this is really helpful in recovery and also helpful as immune supporting foods to keep them in training rather than missing training from illness.
I'm a massive peanut butter fan, so I always like to get that in as best I can. So porridge, on toast, I even make like satay prawns. Anytime I can use peanut butter, it's in.
It can't get simpler than this. I mean, you don't need an ice cream machine. You don't need. You don't have to sit there like a granita and scrape it every 15 minutes. It's literally 2 ingredients. Take your bananas, chop them into slices, stick them in the freezer overnight, put it in a blender, a little bit of milk at a time, with peanut butter so that the fat of it actually retards the setting process and creates the creaminess, but also gives it flavour. Oh, look at that. Like proper ice cream. There we go. In the freezer. And peanut butter and banana are like carrots and peas, and bread and butter, horse and carriage. They just go. We haven't used any sugar in this. We get the natural sweetness from the banana, which is it's important to choose a ripe banana. But this, in terms of, it's guilt-free. There's no guilt. You don't have to feel guilty about it. Let's give it a taste.
So bananas are a really great source of carbs and really simple carbs, so they're fast release. So that's a sort of a good thing to get energy into our system really quickly. And then peanut butter contains loads of healthy fats. And also some protein, and as well the milk source in the ice cream is another great source of protein, which is really important to grow and repair muscles. Whatever event they're doing, they're going to be like essentially creating tears in their muscles, and they need to rebuild their muscles and grow them to be stronger, which is what you need protein for.